Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss on how to change a fraction to a percentage. For example, we are given 4 over 7. So we are given 4 over 7 to change it to a percentage. This is a fraction. So how are we going to change this fraction to a percentage number? So it's very simple. Therefore, we are going to say 4 over 7 times 100 times 100. So 4 times 100, we are having 400 divided by this 7. So 7 into 400, 7 will enter 451, remainder 1 all over 7. So we have gotten our answer. We have changed this fraction to a percentage number. Another one, we have 0.145. We are given this number to change it to a decimal number. So definitely we are going to say 0.145 times 100, so which is equals to 14.5%. So we have gotten our answer. If we like, we may say 14.5%. These are all the same thing. So we have changed this decimal fraction to a percentage numbers. Then the last one, we have 4 over 5. So how are we going to change this fraction to a percentage number? So we are going to say 4 over 5 times 100. So 4 times 100 equals to 400 over 5. So 5 into 400 equals to 80%. So we have changed this 4 over 5 into a percentage number. So thank you for watching this YouTube channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.